Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. Today I'm going to be speaking about mittens because a lot of you have asked me uh, when is the right age to wear mittens, when is the right age to wean babies off mittens, what kind of mittens to wear, etc. etc. Mittens, I think it's very important right from the start when the baby is born, because the babies are pretty warm in the womb. So when they come out, since their body temperatures are not regulated, self-regulated, so you need to keep them warm by covering their head, their hands and feet. So yes, a cap, mitten and sock set is a must right when the baby is born. So you can so I personally made Noor wore mittens for the first 2 months, but it is your choice. You can let the mittens go off in 1 or 2 weeks, or keep them on for a month, 2 months, your choice. But I think not more than 2 months, because that's the age when babies start moving, exploring their surroundings. They want to open and close their hands, they want to feel different textures. So that's the reason I removed them after 2 months. Another reason why I made her wear mittens for 2 months was because I knew that winters was approaching, and it was very important for her to be in a habit to cover her hands. Hence, I made her wear those mittens for 2 months so that she doesn't feel awkward or removes them when I make her wear them in winters. Even now, when she is 4.5 months old, she still wears them at night while sleeping, because again, I'm trying to inculcate that habit of wearing, keeping her hands and feet covered while sleeping, so that winters are not a problem. And even when we go out in the mornings and evenings for our stroller walks, so that's the time again she wears mittens, because there's a chill in the air and I don't want to catch her to catch a cold or anything. So now there are many kinds of mittens available in the market today. So I've experienced, I've tried out a lot of them and finally found the perfect one. So usually the ones that are available in the market looks like these. So these are, I think I ordered them from First Cry. So now these look like this and they have elastic inside. So now what happens is, so initially it's fine when the baby is born, but when the baby starts growing in 1 or 2 weeks and their wrists start expanding in size, the elastic, tends to hurt the baby and leaves a mark here. And then you might get scared, and that's the reason also many mothers, they want to let go of the mitten as soon as possible. So yeah, so most of them, they look like this and they have this elastic inside, which is quite tight. So I looked around a lot, I ordered lots of brands. I've tried all of them, and finally I found the perfect ones, which actually the baby can wear up to 6 months. So no ordering mittens from 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months. So these look like these, they're very pretty. Now the way they are made is that there is no elastic inside as such. Is this the cloth itself is elasticy, and here, the elastic is there on its own, so there's no elastic as such, so hence it won't leave any mark in the baby's hand or skin. So it's very soft. So it's just that, it's the same cloth from which the mitten is made, and here there's a little it's smaller here around the wrist. So these are really comfortable, and they don't hurt the baby's skin. They accommodate the baby's growing hand till 6 months, so you don't need to buy new ones after every 1 or 2 months. When the baby hand starts growing and they start opening it, that's the time when you start buying new mitten sizes. So I just had one pair initially when Noor was born of this, and then I realized that this was the best. uh, so I ordered more of them, and now I only use these, and they have lovely colors in these and very gentle on the skin, no marks, nothing. So yeah, I these are lion bear mittens. So I didn't order them online or anything, but there's a very close a good friend, Divya, who has her own brand, Parenting Done Right India. So she sources some of the best products, which are imported also. So I got them from her. They're pretty cheap, I think around 250-300 per pair or something. I will confirm the price with her. I don't know what's the price that is going on right now, but these are lovely. And I would suggest, if you don't find these, if they're out of stock, so please, whenever you buy mittens, make sure that there's no elastic that is that tight here. And secondly, there is room for the baby's hand to grow so that they can open and close. That's the way you check for mittens. So whenever you buy them, look for this. You should not have this kind of an elastic. Either it should be like a very loose elastic, or try to see if you can find them online somewhere. I'll put the name of them in the comment section. So hope this was helpful. Let me know how I can help you more, by telling me which topics I need to speak on. Thank you.